Here's a $1,000,000 question. How do you use AI in your business without losing your human touch? Because let's be real, nobody wants a brand that sounds robotic. Customers buy from people they trust, not from cold copy. But at the same time, AI can save you hours if you know how to use it the right way. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to strike that balance, using AI to scale your business while keeping your authentic voice front and center. And I'll even give you a real AI prompts you can copy, paste, and start using today. Hey, I'm Whitley, founder of Creatively We Design. I help women-led brands go from DIY to profitable in 90 days with my Launch and Scale framework. This month, I'm walking you through 30 days of AI tips and tutorials to help you launch and scale smarter. Today's video covers 3 things: the dangers of going too far with AI and how to avoid them, the areas where AI shines and save you time, and then a step-by-step prompt you can use that blend AI with your human touch. Get your notepad out. This one's going to be packed. Part 1, why human touch still matters. Your audience connects with your story, your quirks, your lived experience. That's what makes you memorable and trustworthy. If every business used AI without a filter, we'd all sound the same: generic, flat, forgettable. That's why balance is the key. AI should be your assistant, not your replacement. Think of it as a junior copywriter on your team. If it drafts, brainstorms, and gives you a head start, but you are the creative director. You add the voice, the personal story, the emotional connection. So the goal isn't to remove you from the equation, the goal is to amplify you. Part 2, where AI shines. Now let's talk about where AI is incredible: brainstorming ideas. AI can give you 20 angles for a blog, a caption, or a subject line in seconds. Drafting your first versions of anything, it helps you avoid staring at a blank page. Simplifying tasks. AI can shorten a long blog into a quick caption or expand a bullet point into script. Personalization at scale. It can help you tailor emails to different customer groups quickly. Admin and research. AI can summarize an article, draft a client questionnaire, or even suggest interview questions. But here's the balance. You don't just copy and paste. You refine, edit, and add your perspective. Part 3, prompts and walkthroughs. Balance and action. Okay, let's get into the practical side now. How do you actually strike that balance in real life? I'm going to give you some real prompts that you can drop into ChatGPT, and I'll show you how to take the AI draft and layer your human touch on top. Example 1, social media caption prompts. Put this into ChatGPT. Write 5 Instagram captions for a women-led business that sells natural skincare. The tone would be friendly and educational, like a big sister giving advice. Each caption should end with a simple call to action. What AI will give you is a set of captions that are clean, structured, maybe a little generic. Here's how you put your human touch on. You add your story. Example: I started my skincare brand because I was tired of products that made me feel like I needed to fix myself instead of love myself. That one sentence shifts a caption from generic to magnetic. Example number 2, welcome email prompt. Put this into ChatGPT. Got the 3 welcome email sequence for new subscribers to a women-led coaching business. The goal is to build trust and introduce the founder signature and framework. Keep the tone warm, encouraging, and authentic. What AI will give you: a logical flow, intro, story, then pitch. The human touch will be insert your personal why, share a struggle, a turning point, or a client transformation. That's the emotional connection AI can't invent. Example 3, blog to social repurpose. Put this into ChatGPT. Summarize this blog post into 3 short Instagram captions, each under 120 words. Keep them conversational and add 1 question at the end to spark engagement. What AI will give you is a decent summary. The human touch would be, though, to reframe the question so they sound like you instead of AI. What are your thoughts on this? Could be a question. You might say, tell me in the comments, have you ever felt like this too? There you go. Example number 4, personal brand voice training. I know this is very important to a lot of y'all, so put this into ChatGPT. Here are 3 examples of my writing style, and you would paste your actual posts or emails afterwards. Learn my tone and create a short Instagram caption about whatever topic it may be. Make it sound consistent with my voice. This is where AI shines. If you feed it your style, it learns. And then you add your human touch. Review carefully. If something feels off or too polished, tweak a word or phrase so it sounds like you are talking. Part 4, putting it all together. So how do you actually use this balance day to day? Well, you can use AI for the heavy lifting: brainstorming, structuring, summarizing. Then you can layer your human touch, your story, your humor, your perspective. And finally, keep your brand voice consistent by always reviewing and editing the draft. Think of AI as your assistant who lays the bricks, but you're the one designing the house. Let's recap. AI is powerful, but your human touch is what makes people connect. The balance looks like this: AI drafts, you direct. AI gives you speed, you give it soul. Start small. Use the prompts I gave you today. Play with them, edit them, and notice how much time you save while sounding like you. If this was helpful, subscribe and keep watching my 30 Days of AI series. Tomorrow, I'll show you the 5 free tools every woman entrepreneur should try first. And don't forget to grab my free mini email flow map in the description. It pairs perfectly with AI when you're building systems at scale. Remember, AI cannot replace you, but with the right balance, it can help more people see you.